Chevrolet has a long and illustrious history with trucks, reaching back to the early 1900s. Chevrolet debuted their first truck, the 1-ton, in 1918, which was built to tackle heavy-duty duties. Chevy trucks began to take on a more streamlined and aerodynamic shape in the 1930s, which not only improved their appearance but also made them more fuel efficient. In the 1940s, Chevrolet trucks played a critical role in supporting the American war effort, as they were used to transport troops, supplies, and equipment. Chevrolet continued to develop throughout the 1950s, bringing new technologies such as power steering and power brakes, as well as the classic task force design, which is still popular among collectors and enthusiasts today. The Chevy C/K series was introduced in the 1960s, with a greater selection of engine options and more advanced suspension systems. The 1973 Chevrolet truck is part of the third generation of Chevrolet C/K trucks, which were manufactured from 1960 to 1972.
The second-generation CK series, dubbed the Action line, incorporated comfort and convenience features to what had previously been a line of work trucks. Though it debuted as a trim in 1975, the Silverado would become a standalone model for the first time in 1999, with the introduction of the new GMT 800 platform. The award-winning second-generation Silverado was redesigned inside and out and built on the GMT 900 platform.